Hello, Sault Ste. Marie, it's Christian Provenzano here. I'm standing in our council chambers. This week, for the first time in our city's history, we will be doing a city council meeting by teleconference. And we're doing that as a matter of setting an example. We all know that we're dealing with an international pandemic in COVID-19. Algoma Public Health is our lead public health agency. It's critically important that we all follow their advice. And this is their advice put very simply. If you have COVID-19 symptoms, you need to stay home and self-isolate. If you are returning from out of country or from wintering in the United States, you have to stay home and self-isolate. If you do not have COVID-19 symptoms, you need to practice social distancing. And you need to minimize your interaction with people outside of your immediate family. Look, this pandemic is a big deal. It is a challenging situation for everybody across our province and country. But I really believe in our community, and I really believe that we can work hard together. But it's not just a matter of the leadership of your community communicating these messages and working with each other to keep our community safe. Every single one of us has a role to play. We can beat this pandemic quicker and better if we work together. And the way we do that is we stay home. And I've heard some people say, not a really big deal if I get a flu-like virus. And for you, it might not be a big deal. There are a number of people who will get this virus, who will get over the virus and be just fine. But there are a number of people who won't. So this is not just about each one of us individually. This is about us collectively. And although you may be fine, the person you give the virus to may not be fine, or the person they give the virus to may not be fine. And what the leadership of your community is doing right now is we're working really hard to try and make sure that there isn't a surge in demand at our hospital. Because if there isn't a surge in demand at our hospital, those of us who get the virus will be able to get the care that we need at the hospital. So I am asking you on behalf of your city council, on behalf of the leadership of our community, on behalf of all of us, that each of us look out for each other, and that each of us do what we can, and that we stay home. Thank you.